Are you looking for the best laptop stands? In this video we will look at some of the best laptop stands. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Soundance Laptop Stand. This laptop stand from Soundance offers a blend of style, function, and ergonomic design. Made from sturdy aluminum, it provides lasting durability and stability for laptops between 10 and 15.6 inches. It raises your laptop to eye level, reducing neck strain and improving posture. Its open design helps with cooling, allowing air to flow freely to prevent overheating. This keeps your laptop performing well, even during heavy use. The stand is also easy to take apart and put back together, making it handy for office and remote work. However, it has some limitations. It's not suitable for laptops over 15.6 inches. The rubber parts may wear out and need replacement. Initial setup might require some effort. Material: aluminum. Compatible laptops: 10-15.6. Holding capacity: 3 to 8 pounds. Foldable design: no. Not suitable for laptops larger than 15.6 inches. Rubber grips can wear over time, requiring replacement. Assembly required, which might be a minor inconvenience. Number 2. Nulaxy Laptop Stand. The Nulaxy laptop stand, ideal for 10 to 16-inch laptops, provides a perfect fit. It's suitable for various models and brands, guaranteeing wide-ranging compatibility. Made from premium aluminum alloy, the stand is sturdy yet lightweight, providing a reliable platform for your laptop. Raising the laptop screen by 7 inches helps reduce neck and back strain, promoting a comfortable and healthier working posture. The open back design improves cooling by allowing better airflow and offers extra space for storing desk accessories. However, there are a few drawbacks. The stand may have a slight wobble when typing directly on the laptop, which can be annoying. The hooks to prevent the laptop from sliding forward can be uncomfortable for wrists during prolonged use. Lastly, the prominent company logo might be distracting for those who prefer a cleaner look. Material: aluminum, silicone. Compatible laptops: 10-16. Holding capacity: 22 pounds. Foldable design: no. Number 3. Kentevin Laptop Stand. The Kentevin laptop stand offers 8 adjustable height settings to achieve the perfect angle, helping reduce neck and eye strain for long-hour workers who work on drawing and digital art. Additionally, the stand features a 360 degrees rotatable base, allowing easy screen sharing or position adjustment without moving the stand. Made from lightweight ABS material, the stand is portable, ideal for moving between workspaces. It also has a side phone holder for convenience. The hollow design reduces weight and improves cooling by allowing better airflow around the laptop. However, there are some drawbacks. Larger laptops may cause the stand to wobble, especially when typing. The phone holder may not fit all phones, especially those with bulky cases. The lightweight build, while portable, may not feel as durable as heavier metal stands. Material: ABS, rubber. Compatible laptops: 10-17. Holding capacity: 44 pounds. Foldable design: yes. Number 4. Besign Laptop Stand. The Besign LS03 is both durable and ergonomic, offering great comfort for laptop users. Made from high-quality aluminum, it is sturdy and lightweight, suitable for laptops up to 15.6 inches. The stand elevates the laptop by 6 inches, improving posture and reducing neck and shoulder strain. A key feature is its open design, which enhances airflow to prevent overheating. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for those who move their workspace often. Rubber pads on the holder keep your laptop secure and scratch-free. However, the stand has a fixed height, which may not suit users who prefer adjustable settings. It is slightly heavier than other portable stands and is not suitable for laptops larger than 15.6 inches. Material: aluminum, rubber. Compatible laptops: 10-15.6. Holding capacity: 8.8 pounds. Foldable design: no. Fixed height: no adjustable settings. May not be suitable for laptops larger than 15.6 inches. Slightly heavier than some portable options. Number 5. Urmust Laptop Stand. With the adjustable notebook stand by Urmust, your laptop experience reaches new heights. The ergonomic design allows for angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, minimizing neck and spine strain by positioning your laptop at an optimal viewing angle. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the stand is both durable and stable. A key feature of this stand is its foldable and portable design. It's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for users who switch workspaces often. The hollow design improves ventilation, keeping your laptop cool during long use. There is also a storage groove for accessories like your phone, USB drives, or pens. However, it may be less stable with larger or heavier laptops, and adjusting the angle can be difficult for some users. It is not recommended for laptops over 15.6 inches, limiting its compatibility with larger devices. Material: aluminum, rubber, silicone. Compatible laptops: 10-15.6. Holding capacity: 8.8 pounds. Foldable design: yes.